Was asked, what is the difference from being an independent welder and having a welding business? So, independent welding versus welding business. Being an independent welder to me is kind of like having a yard sale. I'm gonna keep it simple. You know how you can have a yard sale and you can sell things at your home. You ain't got to worry about paying taxes. You network with the community, with your people getting started. The people know you. To me, that's like being an independent welder. You're still a business. You still got something going, but the rules are different. You see what I'm saying? You have different taxes, different things you have to do. But when you are a business, you have a different persona that you're giving out. You know, you have to pay taxes and you have to charge your customer taxes and you have to set up a business awareness at a location. You see what I'm saying? Versus you've been independent and you're moving around mobilely, so you don't need that overhead of a business for building to keep you down. So that's the big difference